Well, this is kind of half day one of my solo ride up to the Idaho Panhandle. Heading up to help on a retreat up in the St. Joe National Forest area. I'm taking my motorcycle. This is the McKay Creek Road, or McKay Road, between Prineville and Mitchell. There's some beautiful ranch country up through here. Just kind of a nice, gently winding road between the hills. Anyway, we are 80 miles right now from my home. So just got on the road at, I don't know, 12:30, quarter to 1 this afternoon after church. Usually when I tour, I don't generally ride very far in the afternoons, but today, weather's pleasant, 77 degrees according to the bike thermometer. That's just pretty nice traveling weather, so well, I'm going to jump on it and get a few hours in it, find a place to camp before it gets dark. On day one, Sunday afternoon, on the way to Protector's Peak, hoping to arrive there Wednesday. We just got to the end of the pavement on this nice Forest Service road. As you can see, I pulled off in the shade for a second for a break. Twin pillars. I'm guessing that's like two tall peaks is to the right. Maybe some other day. But for right now, we got to ride at least a couple more hours and find some place to set up camp. Well, here we go. Nice, so far nice gravel road. Get a little fresh air in the helmet. So off we go. This is the sort of road that these kind of bikes are made for. It's long. For some reason there's dust ahead, so we'll see what that's about. Quad just came down the trail. Might have just come off of maybe that that truck and trailer there. We don't want to eat their dust, so I'm just going to slow down. Anyhow, here we are. We're just a few miles southwest of Mitchell, Oregon, which is a little town trying to cling to life, as many little towns in Oregon are. It sure is beautiful country up here. You are in a portion of the Ochako National Forest.